Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilou Bernard. Welcome to my channel. To this guys, on this video, mag-unboxing ako ng gift for my husband. Sige, so i-unbox ko muna siya guys. Ibibidyo ko siya and then isusurprise ko. So ito na guys. Since hindi ako iPhone kasi nag-switch ako ng aking gadget. So, my husband's requested. So, this is here. Apple cell phone. iPhone 11. Yan. Guys, ang cell phone, iPhone 11. Yan. So, ito. Dararang siya na guys. Ayan. Ito mayroon na siyang may protection na siya sa sa harap kasi ayos ko na siya sa store. So and then may cover na rin siya. Hindi ko na siya tatanggalin sa cover guys. So clear naman siya. Ayan sa sa likod. Clear siya sa likod. Look, ang nice ng kanilang case. Yan. And then, yung case nila, meron ditong stand. Here. There. Here you go. You have a stand here. So, you can watch. Yan. Oh. There. It's magnetic. Nice. So, there's a camera here. Look at this, so nice. Heavy here. It's heavy sa mga mas siya. So, ang kasama nito guys, is here. Earphone, yan. This one. Hindi siya wireless. Bibili ka ng kung gusto mo ng bibili ka. So, hindi naman niya kailangan to. So, it's okay. And this one, yung kanyang charger, is just the regular charger. You can buy yung touch, yung charger. It's only cost $30 somewhere. If I know where can buy. But this one here. So actually this is the paper and then what is this one? Yeah, paper here. I don't know what is this. And then the sticker. If you need the sticker, you can use this one. It's only here. So I just need this one. It's pretty nice. I like it. But I prefer to get another one. See? This one has face recognition ID. So nobody can use your cell phone if he cannot recognize your face. Or guys, so this is it. Pansit. Nice. Wala na siyang yung touchscreen siya. Look. So thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, guys. This is it. My Apple products. My iPhone 11. Yan. So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you. This is it. Cell phone. Yan. Give me a like, comment, subscribe my channel. Guys, thank you.